Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. We have arrived at episode 4 of our alignment journey. We have built the vessel. The body is the anchor, the emotions are the neutral water, and the mind is the empty cup. Now, we must fill the cup. We must turn the radio on. This is the spiritual body. In dowsing and energy work, spiritual alignment isn't just a nice feeling, it is a safety protocol. If your spiritual radio dial is slightly off, you pick up static, you pick up interference, you might pick up trickster energies or simply the noise of the collective consciousness, and you will think it's high self, but the answers will lead you astray. Today, we are going to tune that dial. We are going to establish a vertical column of light that acts as a protected corridor between you and Source. We are going to set the rules for what is allowed to enter your space. This is how we ensure that every answer your pendulum gives comes from the highest level of truth. Let's connect. Close your eyes. Welcome. Take a moment to rapidly scan your system. Feel the ground, physical. Feel the calm in your chest, emotional. Feel the silence in your head, mental. You are present. You are neutral. You are ready. Now bring your attention to the very top of your head, the crown center. Imagine that just above your head there is a sphere of brilliant white gold light. This is your personal sun, your connection point to the infinite. With your next inhalation, imagine this sphere opening. A beam of pure light descends from it, flowing down through the top of your head. It moves down through the center of your brain, illuminating the pineal gland, down through the throat, the heart, the solar plexus, the spine, all the way down, anchoring deep into the earth. You are now sitting inside a pillar of light. This pillar is your sanctuary. It is your workspace. Inside this pillar, only truth can exist. Now we set the frequency. We set the safety code. As a sovereign being, you have the right to command the energy of your space. Repeat these words silently with authority. I am aligned with my highest self. I command that only beings of 100% eternal light may enter this space. Any interference, any lower frequencies, any confused energies are blocked from this channel. You are not authorized here. Feel the power of that boundary. You are not asking for permission. You are stating the law of your own energy field. Now, tune your awareness upward. Imagine you are tuning a radio dial. You are moving past the static of the world, past the noise of other people's thoughts. Go higher, lighter, cleaner, until you feel a click, a sense of expansion, a feeling of being held by something vast and wise. This is your high self. This is the source of your dowsing answers. Feel the difference between your own energy and this higher energy. Your energy is the cup. High self is the water poured into it. Allow this light to fill you completely. There is no separation. You are a clear, open channel. Trust this connection. It is safe, it is benevolent, it is accurate. Say silently, I am clear. I am protected. I am connected. Anchor this feeling of vertical alignment. This is your posture for healing. Take a deep breath, pulling this light into every cell of your body. And when you are ready to begin your work, gently open your eyes. You should feel a distinct shift now, a sense of vertical strength. When your spiritual body is aligned and protected, you don't need to force answers. You don't need to worry about dark energies or interference. you have created a sanitized, sterile environment for spiritual surgery. This concludes the alignment of the individual bodies, physical, emotional, mental, spiritual. However, there is one final crucial step. In the real world, we don't work with these bodies separately. We need them to work together, simultaneously, like a symphony orchestra. In the next and final episode, episode 5, 4 bodies integration, we will bring it all together. We will lock this alignment into a single coherent state that you can activate in seconds before a client walks in. Make sure you are subscribed so you can complete the journey. I'm Derek. Stay connected, stay protected, and I'll see you in the finale.